Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and look what I've got. Let me zoom you out just a little bit. No, I guess we're good there. All right, so let me show you what I've got. I've got a round drill painting. See the pink strip? See the pink circle there? It's a chalk pencil, and it's round. And I'll tell you what, you guys, this is the perfect day to unbox this painting. It really is. It's been here a little while. But today is absolutely perfect. It is one of the most beautiful days here. Our temperatures have dropped. It's in the 70s. There's a breeze. You'll probably hear the wind chimes. It's beautiful. And you know what? There's kind of a fall feel in the air. There is, yes. I'm trying to ignore that ragweed out there because, yeah, that's getting to my nose. But anyhow, it is a gorgeous day. And it's a beautiful day to unbox this painting, which is 69 by 51 centimeters. I like that size. I like it. All right. So it's a round toolkit. So you'll notice there are no tweezers in our bag, but we have our 2 heart waxes. We've got a selection of baggies. Here's our 4-placer, our thin 4-placer. I love those. A squishy, a pen, and a tray. That's what you get with a round toolkit. Round. The only difference is a square will get the tweezers. Okay? So what are we going to unbox on this kind of starting to feel like fall day? Autumn Bridge. And it's a round shape diamond. You guys, rounds. People have been asking, are all of them squares? No, they have come out with several round drill chuck pinsons. And they've come out with a lot of them. I'm recording this on September 1st. So it is chuck pinson, the chuck along time. You know what I mean? It is chuck along. I got a section started on mine. I'm cruising. All right, so they've got the nice soft back canvas, the scalloped edges with, I don't know, we call this serging now. Somebody questioned if that's actually serging because there's no thread there. I don't know. We just call it scalloped and serged. We know that it keeps these canvases from fraying. Plus the fabric that it's made out of also helps to prevent the fraying. So it's poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards and get everything out of the inside. It will also help it to lay down flat for us pretty quickly. You don't have to do that. It will lay pretty flat, you know, right out of the box. But I'm just going to do it just for the sake of doing it. Okay? Let's see. See? Look at that. We'll turn it over in a second. Let's look at what comes in our kit. Here is an instruction sheet, tips and tricks. There's a code in here. Once you purchase, you can find codes in here. You can find them on your canvas. You can find them on your packing slip. If you don't have a code and you're a first-time buyer, feel free to use my code, which is Mindy15. It will save you 15% off your first order. Then once you get that order, check these places. Check here, check your canvas, check your packing slip, and you'll have a code for some money off. But you can use Mindy15 on your first purchase. Okay? All right. Let's look at this. Autumn Bridge, start date and end date. You can write on there. Put that in the logbook. Here's our measurements. They give you inches, 27 inches by 20. And there's the centimeter. Okay? Look at it. How peaceful and beautiful and fall-like is that? It's just simply a road going through a covered bridge with the fall trees in the background. We've got like a wagon wheel here, like maybe somebody lost the wheel off their wagon as they were going through. And we have a beaver over here. I believe it's a beaver. Could be a muskrat, but it looks like a beaver. And we have some like rapids, a river, because, you know, the bridge is going over water, right? That's what bridges are for. So we have some water, some little rapids coming through underneath the bridge. What do we have here? We have 54 colors, you guys. That's, okay. It's going to be tans, browns, oranges, golds, some green, maybe a little pinkish purple over here because there is a little bit of flowers over there. But 54 colors for that. These are all peel off stickers you can put right on your containers when you kit up. Wow. Okay, anything under 150 is an AB. So what do we have? 3. Looks like a yellow, a green, and white. Oh yes, please have white in here. Please have some white in the rapids. I'll call those rapids. But nice, 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 nice. 54 fall colors. Beautiful. And there they are, all nicely packaged. They're pretty fall colors, aren't they? They sure are. All right. It says Autumn Bridge on the front. R is round, contains ABs. We'll look at those in a bit. Let's look at the picture first. Let's look at the picture. All right. So there it is. There it is. Now, let me say, first thing right off the bat is that this looks a little less detailed when it's a round painting. Round drill paintings, the image on your canvas doesn't pop off like it does on a square. It's still going to pop off when you put the drills on it. It's just when we look at it in the canvas with the symbols, it doesn't show the picture as well as a square drill diamond painting does. But we can see, we have the road here that's going into the bridge. You can kind of see the slats and things on the bridge, the roof. You can see that wheel. You can see the rapids. You can tell we got all of these beautiful fall trees. Now, we do lose the little muskrat or beaver guy over here. He's over there somewhere, but you see, you can't really see him. It is the way these are printed for rounds, all right? But they are going to turn out just beautifully, okay? All right, what do we have? We have a legend on both sides. The DMC codes, symbols, everything is on the legend, and all of your information about the painting is at the bottom. All right, there's all of your details with a thumbnail picture. All right, so yeah, it's going to be beautiful. If you love fall colors, you love covered bridges, rounds, this one's for you guys. This one's for you. All right, it's a nice size, so it would be, you know, kind of quick and easy to do. Yeah. Nice, 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 nice. Hear those wind chimes going out there? I told you there's a breeze. All right, let's look at the drills. Let's find our ABs. And then we'll figure out where they're at on the canvas here. They're 1, 2, and 3. I can see the 2s. 2s are, that green just pops off every time we have that green color. All right, here we go. Let's see what we have. We have some, let's call that goldenrod. All right. Browns, 938. Green, tan, 2 bags of 732. Come on, we need to focus on the drills. Thank you, focus on the drills. Couple of 937s, a couple of 935s. Here comes some browns, tans, and more browns. All right. Is it what you're expecting so far? It's kind of what I've been expecting. These are the colors I would expect to see. Okay, here comes some of our tree colors. Look at that beautiful yellow. That's beautiful. Beautiful colors. Mossy green. Some more tans and taupes and kind of a mustard color. Look at all these beautiful colors. Okay, our first AB is that bright green. That bright green AB. It's got that coating on it, iridescent. Makes it pick up all the colors of the rainbow. It's so pretty. We'll find that on the canvas. I mean, I can already see it. It pops right off. It's going to be here, right? You can see it. That one is super bright. It just, there's no denying it. Another pretty burnt orange. Oh, and here's our next 2 ABs. Here's the white and the yellow right next to each other. So here's the white AB and a pretty light pale yellow. Those are going to be really pretty. We'll hunt for those in a second. They're going to be so pretty. Okay. What else do we have? We're getting down to the smaller bags. Some burnt oranges, taupes, some grays, another green. Okay, here's purple. That's going to go in those flowers we were talking about earlier. You got those purple flowers over in the corner. A little bit of black. There's our black, folks. There's our black. You gotta love it. Chuck Pinson paintings, there's very, very little black. All right. And then we got a little bit of that one. Okay. So let's look at this canvas closer up. Let's see if we can figure out where the ABs are. Number 1 is the pale yellow. All right. So the pale yellow, I find some in the trees over here. I find some up here and up here. Let's pull you down just a little bit. Through here, all throughout the trees, we get some of the yellow AB. Okay, little spots of it here and there. I don't think there's any in the bottom. The 2s, we've already talked about. The 2s just pop right off because it's that bright green. Can you see them? There's some. I'm not even looking at the canvas. Here's some. I'm looking in the camera. Here's some. You can see them, right? Here, through here, a whole bunch over there, through the trees. Yeah, that bright green is just, it's there. You see it. And the last one is the white, which is number 3. Okay, so this is cool. We get some number 3s on the roof of the bridge. You know, got some sparkle going on top of the bridge on the roof. Perfect. And yes, they did it. They put the 3s over here in the river, in the rapids. Yes, love it. Perfect, perfect. I would have done that myself, right? Oh, here's some more yellows down here. A couple of the little yellows are down here in the road over here. Not many, just a couple. But this will be so pretty. I know there's quite a few people doing Autumn Bridge for the Chuck-along. I've already seen several of them. It's a perfect painting. I mean, you could do this for Drills and Chills because it's autumn. You can do it for the Chuck-along, clearly. It's fall. Why not, right? Pick a fall painting. Absolutely. Okay. All right. So that's what I had to show you, you guys. It's going to be beautiful. See those purple flowers down here? The purple flowers. Because, you know, even though it's fall, we still have flowers blooming. I mean, I do. Leaves are starting to change colors a little bit down the road. I saw some oranges popping out, you guys. So definitely fall is kind of in the air. It's getting here, okay? So it's beautiful. Let me know what you think. There you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope, you know, that I have helped you discover the love of Chuck Pinson's art. And yeah, if you enjoyed this at all and you're new here, consider subscribing. Come back and see more videos just like this one or many of the other things I do. And I hope you guys have a great day. Hit the like button. And I'll see you guys around, okay? All right. Listen to the wind. Listen to the chimes. Like I said, fall. It's in the air. All right. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.